Sorry, I'm eating my ice cream, but this is one of the craziest stuff I've ever seen. Charles is legitimately driving his R34 through Tsukiji Market. Let me go ahead and show you guys our view.
Dude, there's so many people. Look at it.
Dude, look at this. In R34, I mean, this guy is looking at you like, what is going on? Oh my god, this is the egg line. This is Tamago line. Dude, never in my wildest dream would I think about a Samsona sequential R34 driving through a crowd of people trying to get some fatty tuna. It just doesn't make any sense. Hey guys, it's Sunday here. So we finished Tokyo Auto Salon yesterday, and today we are at Garage Saurus. Ta-da! We have Charles' car here. I've been to Garage Saurus once, I think about a year ago, and obviously I'm here again seeing Hayashi-san and a couple of familiar faces. Just super excited. I mean, there's lots of things. Every single time you're at Garage Saurus, you will see a couple of other cars. Obviously today there are some crazy stuff in the back, and then we would like to see. Oh, look at that, guys. Just a Skyline casually parking over here.
Yo, so what's up? So follow CW Unit in Instagram and CW Collective you like the Skylines.
Obviously, yeah, we would.
Go to the back. I'll show you guys in the back.
Hey. Let's take a look. Ooh, what is that? Alright, we're just going to the back right now. Oh. Jack, what do you think?
Oh, what do you think? Mark,
Hey,
he kind of wants to purchase.
Oh, broken.
Already
That's
broken.
it. Already broken, guys. Never mind. Cut. That was it. Dude, so by the way, the reason why I came over here is I wanted to see this thing. This thing is crazy. Look at the body, look at everything, look at the, you know, the ITB engine. Let me go ahead and show you guys. This is ridiculous. Hey guys, so we're casually checking out the Ferrari. I'm inside the Garage Saurus race Ferrari right here. I want to show you guys some detail from my personal view, but beforehand, I want to kind of show you guys what's going on here. Red interior, absolutely bolted on everything. Just overall ridiculous. From the view right now with the obviously the hood lifted, I can see the ITBs through here, which is absolutely nuts. When I close the door, you can see there are window things over here. Standalone ECU with a race light. I can barely kind of show you guys the steering wheel here. All the pretty much the regular things. Forget about a radio. What radio are you talking about? There's absolutely nothing here. Just a couple of things. Kill switch, a gated shifter. I mean, I'm not even gonna pull it right now. That's it. And a handbrake. You know, fire extinguisher. Everything is Motec here. I am just baffled by how good this is. I don't know, it's just one of the most coolest car ever. I don't know. Wow. What the fuck? What the It's good Okay. What the fuck? Oh.
That's enough.
Yeah, choked. Alright, we're tucking it in now. What an experience. Kim, what do you think? Is it the first time you hear this code start?
Yeah. Same.
Jack and I's natural reaction is above everything. I have
That
no.
was legitimate real.
Oh my god. So I really miss this guy. Back in maybe 2 years ago, when Charles still owns this car, this is the first V-Spec 2 that I've ever driven, and really made an impression. It was one of the best street R35 I've ever driven. Wow. Okay guys, so after the quick tour, we're now leaving Garage Saurus and going to the HKS technical shop. So I know I've been Garage Saurus before, but this time really taking the advantage of hanging out with friends and going to different places. So I hope the HKS stuff is really interesting. Charles, are you excited?
I'm not that excited.
Oh, come on, come on. Hey guys, we're at the Tokyo's HKS technical factory. So if you guys take a look at the sign, it's right there. And it has all the HKS stuff inside. I can't wait to see it. Oh my god, look at the HKS front bumper. It's okay. Let's just stop and let's go inside.
HKS boost,
Uh-huh.
HKS operating engine, or HKS.
HKS engine. This is the time attack car for this month Fuji.
Yeah.
Oh.
Turbo, GT 1000 plus.
Oh, Turbo GT 1000 plus time attack car. Wow.
1,000 plus horsepower.
Turbo GT, yeah.
This is his shop car.
Yeah. Oh, so this is the shop car.
The Kamikaze 86.
86 project.
First time, time attack. Second time, this. HKS engine.
Oh, HKS engine.
Yeah.
In GT86.
Time attack.
Oh, time attack car.
Speedway.
Wow. All right, so while they're chit-chatting in the back, I want to quickly show you guys. Ta-da! It's just an R34 right here. I'm gonna take a peek. I haven't seen a car yet. So we were just talking about it. So this is the owner's car from the HKS technical factory, and small tune-up on the car. I think it's roughly around 500 horsepower right now. Just kind of explained it. But this is a daily car that he drives to work every day for 3 miles. Yeah, I think that's the perfect type of mods for a daily car. It's just a stock engine but a tune. Hey guys, so after a couple of hours of driving and changing to the subway, we finally arrived at the Shibuya intersection. Jack and I are gonna go grab some food to eat right now and then just do the regular touristy stuff. Oh my god, we're actually crossing right now. Why don't we cross to the other side? Woo!
Walking through the belly of the beast right now.
Let's go! Oh, actually we can't make it.
Oh, no.
We cannot make it. Oh no. We almost got ran over crossing it the first time.
Did you see that one guy? He just ran.
He ran. He did not care. He has some unfinished business. I'm here with JackUltramotive.
Yeah,
First time eating A5YU. What do you think?
I love it. It is the craziest beef I've ever had.
Sorry guys, I have to take the beef out before it's overcooked. That's how important it is. It's a business. But I know a lot of people who don't really have not. For a lot of you who have not experienced A5YU beef, it's extremely expensive in the States. It's usually 4 times the cost. So for a small plate of this, it can cost just south of $100, and you can get it fairly accessibly here in Japan for $20 to $30 each. And obviously A5YU is the fattest of the fattest, and there's a really high quality stuff where the beef needs to be, pretty much breed and also fed in a certain way in order for it to be amazing. And that's why the meat quality is so high, and it really makes a difference. It's not some regular meat, and as you can see, it melts in your mouth but we're just here enjoying. And Jack is obviously, you know, first time. Hey, how did I see you here? I mean, you're traveling too, obviously. Did you go to CAS?
Yeah, I want to talk.
Okay. Everybody, yeah. I can't believe how fast time passed. It's only like been like, I don't know. I still feel like day one here.
I know, right? It's been the quick. It's like each day has been taking the longest day, but then all together it feels like a fast week.
Exactly. It's like you did 20 days of stuff in a couple of days, but it just went like that. I want to conclude the trip right here, so I'll talk to you guys very soon. You have a good one. Take care. Signing off here.